हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज जिस टॉपिक पे मैं वीडियो लेके आई हूँ वो है BLIS 221 यूनिट 7 अदर इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड लेजिस्लेशन, ये चैप्टर का नाम है। और जिन टॉपिक पे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं उसी में से मैंने एक टॉपिक चूज़ किया है। आज का टॉपिक है द कॉपीराइट एक्ट 1957। क्योंकि ये टॉपिक बड़ा है इसलिए आज मैं सिर्फ इसी पे वीडियो बनाया इस टॉपिक पे मैंने। फिर जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाऊंगी मेरे हिसाब से मैं वो बाकी के चैप्टर को कवर कर लूँगी। तो हम शुरू करते हैं। द कॉपीराइट एक्ट 1957। Copyright is a law that gives you ownership over the things you create, be it a painting, a photograph, a poem, or a novel. If you created it, you own it, and it is the copyright law itself that assures that ownership. The ownership that copyright law grant comes with several rights that you as the owner have exclusively. उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे इसके फीचर्स के बारे में। The Indian Copyright Act has 15 chapter and we have discussed them in brief here. तो 15 चैप्टर हैं जो कि मैंने यहाँ पे ब्रीफली उसके नोट्स में आप लोगों को दे रही हूँ। तो सबसे पहला चैप्टर है प्रिलिमिनरी। This chapter defined the act, adaptation, architectural work of art, artistic work, author, calendar year, cinematograph, film, delivery, dramatic work, engravings, exclusive license, government work, Indian work, infringing copy, lecture, literary work, musical work, performance, performing rights society, photograph plate prescribed, radio diffusion, recording work, work of joint authorship, work of sculpture and publication. Chapter 2 क्या है? Copyright Office and Copyright Board. This chapter explains Copyright Office. The Copyright Office shall be under the immediate control of the Registrar of Copyright, who shall act under the superintendence and direction of the central government. Chapter 3 है आपका Copyright. This chapter is devoted to copyright. Copyright shall subsist throughout India in the following classes of work, that is to say, original literacy, dramatic, musical, and artistic work, cinematograph, films, and record. Artistic work refer to a painting, a sculpture, a drawing, whether or not any such work possesses artistic quality. Cinematograph film is any work of visual recording on any medium produced through a process from which a moving image may be produced. Dramatic work refer to any piece for recitation, cinematography work or entertainment in dumb, show the scenic arrangement or acting form which is fixed in writing. Literary work include computer program, table compilation including computer literary data. Musical work means a work consisting of music and include any graphical notation of such work. Sound recording is any recording of sound. फिर बात हो रही है चैप्टर 4 की, ओनरशिप ऑफ कॉपीराइट एंड द राइट्स ऑफ द ओनर. This chapter describes the author of a work as the first owner of the copyright, but he has the right to relinquish the right. Publisher and producer can own the copyright if the author or the creator has relinquished it. It also defines manuscript as the original document embodying the work, whether written by hand or not. Chapter 5 है term of copyright. Chapter 5 defines the term copyright in published literary, dramatic, musical and artistic work. It also explains term of copyright in anonymous and pseudonymous work, posthumous work, photograph, cinematograph, films, record and government work. फिर है आपका चैप्टर 6 जो कि है लाइसेंसेस. This chapter deals with the term license. It says the owner of the copyright in any existing work or the prospective owner of the copyright in any future work may grant any interest in the right by license in writing signed by him or by his duly authorized agent, provided that in the case of a license relating to copyright, in any future work, the license shall take effect only when the work comes into existence. उसके बाद है आपका कॉपीराइट सोसाइटी चैप्टर 7. This chapter talks about copyright society. Every performing rights society shall within the prescribed time and in the prescribed manner prepare, publish and file with the registrar of copyright statements of all fees, charges or royalties which it proposes to collect for the grant of licenses for performance in public of works in respect of which it has authority to grant such licenses. 8 चैप्टर है राइट्स ऑफ ब्रॉडकास्टिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस. This chapter deals with broadcast reproduction right. It says where any program is broadcast by radio diffusion of the government, by the government or any other broadcasting authority, a special right to be known as broadcast reproduction right shall subsist in such program. Chapter 9 है International Copyright. National laws are applied only in the case of international work. The central government may by order published in the official gazette direct that all or any provision of this act shall apply to work first published in any territory outside India to which the order relates in like manner as if they were first published within India. Chapter 10 है registration of copyright. This chapter explains the register of copyright, entries in register of copyright, indexes form and inspection of register, correction of entries in the register of copyright and rectification of register by copyright board. Chapter 11 है infringement of copyright. This chapter talks about when copyright is infringed and when a copyright is not infringed. Copyright is infringed when a person sell and distribute the original work without the permission of the owner. Copyright is not infringed if a person used personal purposes including research, criticism or review. Copyright is also not infringed if it is used for legal and educational purposes. Chapter 12 है आपका civil remedies. This chapter suggests remedies in the case of infringement of copyright. Chapter 13 है आपका offenses. This chapter talks about offense of infringement of copyright or other rights conferred by this act, power of police to seize infringing copies, disposal of infringing copies or plates for purpose of making infringing copies, penalty for making false entries in register etc., for production or tendering false entry and cognizance of offences. Chapter 14 है आपका appeal. This chapter mention how appeal can be made against certain orders of magistrate or orders of registrar of copyright and copyright board. It talks about the procedure for appeal. और चैप्टर 15 है आपका मिसलेनियस. दिस चैप्टर टॉक्स अबाउट रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कॉपीराइट एंड कॉपीराइट बोर्ड to possess certain powers of civil court, order for payment of money passed by registrar of copyright and copyright board will be executable as a decree and production of action taken in good faith. तो ये था आज का टॉपिक. और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जो भी लेटेस्ट वीडियो डालूँ उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए. और एक चीज़ मुझे आप लोगों से पूछनी नहीं थी बल्कि बतानी है कि जिन लोगों को सिविल सर्विस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो पीसीएस के एग्ज़ाम हो, चाहे वो आईएएस के एग्ज़ाम हो, मैं उसकी तैयारी नहीं, बेसिकली चैप्टर वाइज, टॉपिक वाइज सब कुछ मेरा एक न्यू चैनल है उस पर मैं शुरू करवा रही हूँ. तो जो लोग करना चाहते हैं उसको ज्वाइन आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा, मैं आपको लिंक भेज दूँगी अगर कोई करना चाहता है तो. ठीक है, क्योंकि कुछ लोग होते हैं जो कि कोचिंग एफर्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, मैं भी उन्हीं में से थी, और हम इस वजह से कहीं ना कहीं पीछे भी रह जाते हैं. तो मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरे जैसे और कोई किसी की इच्छा और वो नहीं किसी भी रीज़न से नहीं कर पाते हैं तो मैं उनकी हेल्प करना चाहती हूँ लोगों की, बस यही कहना चाहती हूँ। इसलिए मैं अपने इस वीडियो में ऐसे लिंक नहीं डाल रही। जिसको चाहिए वो मुझे कमेंट में लिख के दे दे, मैं उसी को लिंक भेजूँगी सिर्फ। ठीक है, तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू, बाय।